Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today's card is going to be something similar to this one. Not exactly the same, but something similar. This was my prototype and I have altered the way that I've done it slightly. However, what I'm going to do is show you the easiest way of making one of these shadow box cards. And the reason it's easy is because the sides and all the panels are separate. However, it means that you can change the design on the panels to whatever you like and still get a good result. Now the first thing to do is to construct the sides. Now I've chosen plain white card. You want something reasonably stiff but not really heavy, because it's going to make it difficult for your folding. It almost looks like a paper aeroplane. So the very center line is what you call mountain fold. And then these two end pieces, this will be together and the two end pieces fold inwards. So if you fold it from the center first and then make it flat like so, and then you fold those pieces in. Now the score lines are in the file regardless. I suggest you score it really well, and then when you've scored it really well, you can fold it more easily. And what I'm going to do is to put some double-sided tape down in this center fold. I want to put it so that it's up to that edge there as much as possible. So you fold that together and you stick it down, and that's going to fold over like that eventually to complete your card. So it's nice and easy to do. So let's do the same thing with this one. I have made a sentiment by actually adhering a foiled it's not actually a proper vinyl, but it's like a foiled, metallic foil, self-adhesive. And I adhered it to a piece of acetate. This happens to be bookbinding. And then I kiss cut it. So I kiss cut the Merry Christmas out. I've stuck on a little gem embellishment there. And then with the outer cut, I just cut through everything, and then I weeded it afterwards. I have another layer which is a dove grey card, and that's going to be the middle layer. Now with this particular design, do make sure that you rotate it in the right direction, because it doesn't work in all directions. Look, okay, you have to make sure it's up a certain way or you're going to end up out of alignment. And then for the last layer, I've got this beautiful aqua blue, which I think is stunning. I love that colour. You want to make sure that your tape in this case is as close to that edge as you can. And this is always easier to do when I'm not on camera. I'll turn it up that way because it's closer to me. I'm going to check this one because I've turned the card around and I don't want to make a mistake. Yeah, it's going to be that way. So this now needs to line up with this edge here. And hold this to the corner there. And the corner there. There we have our card virtually completed. It's just the sentiment and any odd decoration that's going to go on top. I finished the card off simply with some pearls and some little diamante gems. I think that's all it needed, and I'm really pleased with the result. I think that's really quite sweet. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon. Don't forget, file is linked down below. Take care now.